Hi, I'm Becky Buttons, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your button graphics in bulk using the volume cutter press. This is the volume cutter press. It is made to cut through a stack of pages about 15 deep, depending on how thick the paper is. There is always the inclination to try to push it and cut more pieces at a time, but you should avoid that inclination because it's not faster. You'll end up screwing up more designs than you'll save time that way. So you want to keep the pages to about 15 or less. This is an order of 100 buttons that I'm doing. So I'm just going to get started. The first thing that I do is straighten out these pages to the best of my ability. I picked up this thing from Home Depot. It's just like I'm actually not sure what it's supposed to be for, but I use it to keep my pages nice and straight, and I just use it on the one corner, sometimes the bottom corner too, just to kind of keep everything perfect. Once you have the pages really, really well aligned, I then use binder clips on one corner. So I find that when you stack cut, it's nice to let it's actually more effective to let the pages kind of fan out on one corner and then like kind of come back. So you don't want to put binder clips on too many pages because then you'll get these weird bubbles and stuff like that cause misalignment issues. So you want to straighten out your page as much as you can and put binder clips on two sides only. All right, so then you have your die that goes with the stack cutter. And the way that we do this is you align the first one like this. And then if you pull this handle down with enough force, like really give it a go, then the graphic will still be in there like that, and you can, instead of popping them out of the die, you can actually just keep going, this time aligning the die based on the outside of the graphic here rather than looking through it, and that gives you a nice stack of buttons that are all aligned properly, all have the same top, so they're not all facing different directions, which is helpful when you go to make your buttons because it'll save you just a little bit of time. And any of these little time-saving techniques that you can implement will help you in your button making process save money, because time is money. So you see I keep the page roughly the same place and then I just keep moving this around. So you can see that like I've got like a stack of graphics in there now. This stack cutter is worth its weight in gold if you're doing a ton of buttons. A lot of people go and look at the electric machines when they're looking to start expediting their process. But these cutters would be the first recommendation. They'll return their investment infinitely faster than those electric machines. The electric machines still have like a learning curve. You have to get fast at them. They won't save you a bunch of time immediately off the bat, but these definitely will. So they're a little bit expensive to get into. You know, the initial investment is a little bit much, but they're fantastic machines and they will pay themselves back exponentially.